Hello and welcome to Marker Painting with the Craft Corner. This was one of the most popular projects of the summer, so I've put together a little video so that you can do this at home. For this project, you're going to need to gather some materials. Pretty simple, and you should have them all at your house. So table covering and some paper. And most important thing is plastic covers. So I'm using like a plastic sheet from a note paper, but you can use anything that you can wipe. Then we have card. I've got some watercolor card and some plain white paper. Thick paper works best for this project. You can start by doing your design on the card. Now for this, use a permanent marker because remember, we're going to be adding water to it. So I'm going to keep mine very nice and simple, just doing a flower shape here. But there are so many different designs and patterns that we experimented with in camp and that you can too. Then you get your clear sheet of plastic and you need to put lots of marker on this. Now you will need to experiment with the types of markers that work. I found these markers that I actually picked up in Maynooth bookshop were the best ones. I think because the felt tips were nice and big, so they put lots of colour onto my plastic sheet. And you can see here, it's important that you cover the whole sheet in colour. And you can experiment with different patterns on it, different colours, but make sure that it's not just one scribble in the middle, that you're getting lots and lots of colour onto your plastic sheet. So I'm just going for a really random pattern here for this one, but making sure that there isn't really that many gaps left on my sheet by the time I finished. So then you'll get a spray bottle of water. This was just an old cleaning bottle. I cleaned it all out and I just put plain water in it and you spray onto the plastic sheet. So I put this down on a tray when we were doing it in the camps so that water didn't get everywhere. So I sprayed all over it and then you put your paper, you either put the paper down onto the plastic sheet or the plastic sheet onto the paper. It doesn't matter, but you press it down, rub it around, press it down really well. And then this is the moment where the magic happens. So the kids all loved this moment when they get to peel it up and see what happens. And all of the marker transfers to your design. Now, another step that I will say is it's important to get the kids to clean up after themselves. So remember that you guys need to wipe down that plastic sheet so it's ready for the next person doing the art or for you to do your next one. It's also much easier to wipe down when it's wet than if it dries off. So there you have your marker painting. And like I say, you can experiment with lots of different colours, different patterns, and have lots of fun with this project. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you all again soon.